Now, I ended up getting out of there in October of 2012. And when I got out of there, I started doing positive stuff. I started working for Goodwill of Colorado, went to the Manitou Incline. Don't go there if you don't work out regularly. Don't do it. You will die. Okay? It's 2,700 and something steps. I found that out the hard way. I thought I was tough. I wore weights on my feet in a weighted vest. Halfway up, I'm like, yeah, this ain't gonna work out. I left them on the steps. I'll catch them on the way down. Yeah. All right. Got my first car, went to Channel 9 News, got to talk with them. It was a cool thing. And then guess what? Pivotal moment. Now, some of you folks, I'm not trying to talk at you. I'm just telling you what I've experienced. You're new to dating. I was new to dating. I pretty much grew up in prison. I was new to dating. I wanted to be accepted. I wanted to be loved. I got with someone. I didn't ask any important questions like, do you have goals? I didn't ask any of that. What is your vision? What do you want to do with your life? Do you want family? What does parenting look like to you? What do you want? I didn't ask any of those questions. We broke up. I was watching Superman versus Batman on my bed, depressed, in May of 2016. Don't judge me, okay? Watching Superman versus Batman. It's a ridiculous concept. Of course, Superman wins that one. And I got a phone call, and the phone call was, I just gave birth to your son. I can't keep him. You got to come get him. Bye. And so on my birthday, my son was born, and I had to take him first year of his life, and I had to figure it out. But he survived. He's still alive today, so it's okay. He's fine. But I got a smatter for that. Okay. But in that scenario, how did I get there? I was being reckless. I was wanting to have fun and wanting a relationship, but not knowing anything about emotional intelligence and asking important questions. What could I do? I told myself I was going to be the dad that I didn't have so that my son doesn't end up in DOC. In Department of Corrections, for those of you who don't know what DOC is. And then, what are my resources? My resources are my community. My resources are individuals like Kip who can say, hey, this is what I think you should be thinking about.